peeps. I just want to do a real quick unboxing today of this item I received a couple of days ago from Aura Estelle. So as some of you might know, if you're kind of involved in the planner community, Aura Estelle had a release of the Cloud Tote, and the Cloud Tote comes with an insert, and you could put it in a bundle with a twilly and a clutch and a keychain, or a charm actually. So I wasn't fast enough to get a tote. They were all sold out by the time I went to the website. But I had been obsessed with this item and it was still in stock, so I just went ahead and bought this by itself. So without further ado, let's dig in and see what's in here. Full disclosure, it is not a planner. So if you are only here looking for planner items, you are going to be disappointed. So let's open this up. I have actually had this for a couple of days and I just really wanted to open it and not do a video, but I'm having a hard time getting motivated to find things to do on my channel, so I thought I'd better take advantage of having something to show you guys. Okay, so the boxes from Aura Estelle are really nice. They're pink on the inside. They're nice, sturdy boxes. Let me show you this logo here. Make time for what makes your soul shine. That's what the top flap says. Okay. All right, enough about the box, right? Ooh, look at this pretty card that came in here. I love the print on that. And it's pink, so bonus. So let's see. This looks like my little keychain. And it's wrapped up nice so that it doesn't get all yucky. Although I'm just going to hang it from something then, and it's going to get yucky then, so. But it does have my initials on it. It's a little hard to read, but I guess it's not so bad. Those are my initials. And then this is like the star cluster, it's called. So it's in silver foil. So it's a little pink cloud. And I think you can just, okay, this is just pushes in. So I guess, you know, you can hang this from something else, you know, put some keys on there or whatever. Anyway, so this is the pink one. And what is this called? Rose quartz. And I got the silver hardware with it. And then it has this little tiny cloud that says Aura Estelle. So that's really cute. All right, so let's get to the main event. Ooh, it's so cute. Ooh, it comes in this really nice bag. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the clutch. And the minute I saw this color and this nice smooth faux leather, I was like, oh, I just really want that so bad. And it has silver hardware. I think the color is called oatmeal, maybe. Because I think the tote that went with it was called Bear Beige. And then I think this is called oatmeal. I could be wrong. Maybe they're both Bear Beige. But anyway, long story short, I really like this. And this is so cute. Look at that. So like I said, it's faux leather. It feels really nice. Okay, it comes with a little wrist strap. I'll show you that in a minute. I'm going to get this box out of here. And again, the dust bags that come with are kind of like this nice silky material, and they're pink, and they have like a pink ribbon to close it up. All right, so I'm going to take the stuffing out of here. Okay, here's what we have. The reason I really like this is because of the, like, just this molded space in here that I thought looked like it'd be very easy to put things in, you know, like your phone and your your wallet and a couple of cards and your keys, and off you go. So as you might have noticed, there's a couple of D-rings here on the inside of the flap. The website has straps available if you want to buy like a crossbody strap. I chose not to get that at this time because I wasn't sure. I want to get my hands on this and see if this would be a viable option to use as a crossbody. So I'll have to see what fits in there. But here's the matching wrist strap. So I guess you can put it on whatever end you want. See if I can do it here. There you go. So I like that. But it's so pretty. So it has this nice pen loop here. This is one of the things that really sold me on this clutch, was this pen loop. Let's put something in there. All right, here's a nice little pen. Okay. Of course, this is a little stiff now because it's brand new, so don't think that just because I'm struggling a bit that there's anything wrong with it. Oh, there you go. See? And how many times have you had to dig around for your pen? And now it's going to be right here every time you open your clutch. So what I kind of want to do is see if my Hobonichi Weeks would fit in here, because that's kind of like my, I hate to say everyday carry, but yeah, it's kind of been my everyday carry lately because it's very portable. So let me go grab that. So I've got a couple of things. I don't think that, no, that's not going to fit like that. But the nice thing about the Hobonichi Weeks is, of course, out of a cover, it's super, super slim. So let's see. Okay, it does fit in there, barely. I mean, oh, there we go. Okay, so yes, the Hobonichi Weeks does fit in the clutch. And let's see, what if I wanted to put this in here? That would pretty much be it, other than, I guess I could probably fit this little slim wallet in here. Ooh, I don't know if it's gonna button. Oh yeah, it does. Wow. Yeah, it's pretty chunky. I typically probably wouldn't carry this in the clutch, but I just wanted to see if it fit. But definitely, if you had a Hobonichi Weeks, your pen, like if you carry like a very slim wallet, and then your phone. Like I'm recording with my phone, so I can't show you, but you can see that there's plenty of room. And obviously, if I could get this, which is kind of thick, in here with the rest of this stuff, you would be able to get your phone in here easily. And so really, what else do you need? You have your money, you have your phone, your planner, your pen, and off you go. So I think this is something that would be really cool just to keep in a tote, just so that, you know, sometimes you use a tote for work and then you get off work and you got to run into the grocery store, and instead of taking your tote in with you, you just grab your cute little clutch and in you go. So I like that. Now let's put this cute charm on there. I don't think I need this ring though. I think the lobster claw is plenty. Now, will it fit on the same side? Oop. Yeah, it does. So there you go. Isn't it cute? So if you haven't checked out the video that she has on YouTube for the totes, go check it out. She sold out of her totes pretty quickly. And so right away, she put up a pre-order for another batch. And I did go ahead and get a tote in the second batch. But that won't come till October. So I will definitely be showing you that when it rolls around in October. So I do think this is beautiful. I love it. So I'm so glad I got this one. It was a hard choice though, because she had, of course, the rose quartz is one of my favorites because I love pink. So I had a hard time do I choose the pink or do I go with something neutral? But I think I made a good choice because I think like my little slim wallet looks good with it. And I should point out the pockets in here since I've been just kind of rambling but not really showing you. So if you look inside here, there's like 2 credit card size pockets attached to a larger slip pocket that goes across the whole length of the clutch. So you could, you know, stick your little slim wallet in there. You could put a couple other cards in here. And like I said, my Hobonichi Weeks does fit in here. And, you know, then I'm ready to put my phone in there and off I go. So I love it. I love it. So that's it. I don't have anything more to say until I get a big giant order in October from Aura Estelle. I'm pretty much just sitting and waiting for my tote. So thank you for joining me, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.